Hi, this is Vanessa Garcia from Inductive Automation, and I hope this video is helpful describing the Edge products. So I'm just on the website here, and typically Ignition is used as a server-based software. So you would install the software on a server, and then you would have a connection to all your devices, database, and clients there on your private network. And the Ignition server can handle, unlimited clients, unlimited device connections, unlimited tags, and do a variety of things. But we have some customers who, out at what we call the edge, they have somewhat of a shaky connection. So in this picture, if this connection dropped, we would not see any of the live data coming out from the devices there because all the clients are here and this connection is severed. We also would not be able to, um, view any history from those devices while that network connection was down. Because again, this is severed and we need that live connection to send the history over to the database. So that leads us to Edge. And with Edge, you can install software closer to the device and it will handle the store and forward of history while that connection's down. So the part that does that, or the software license that does that, is called the Ignition Edge Enterprise. So there's no HMI out here. It's simply just installed on a panel PC, and it's right near the PLC. And if that connection to the central server were to drop, it's got the store and forward feature built into it. So it'll cache the data out here, and then when the connection comes back up, it'll forward it to the central server. Now, at the central server, you absolutely are going to need the tag historian, and you're going to need a database and probably the vision module or perspective to view the history coming through, and then you can decide what other modules you need based on your requirements. But again, you'd have the Edge Enterprise out here for the store and forward. You'd have your clients and your PDF reports coming out, from this server here. You'd have your tag historian, the vision module, maybe the reporting module, etc. You don't need to pay for the enterprise administration module out here because this comes with EAM included, but you would need to buy the EAM module for the central gateway in order to take advantage of those features. Another option is to add an HMI out there for fallback. So in this scenario, not only are you making sure that you're not losing any history while that connection's down because you've got the Edge Enterprise, but you're also able to look at a local HMI screen, and that screen will just be, real-time status control and like a week's memory buffer if you were down for a week. So that is what the Edge panel license is. It adds that HMI option there. Now, the Edge Enterprise is useful if you are using protocols such as Modbus, Siemens, Allen Bradley, but if you are connecting via MQTT, then you need to purchase what's called the Edge MQTT module, which also has store and forward. So you would use this Ignition Edge MQTT, and then you could use that along with the Edge panel as well, just like I was showing you in the other picture. So for your particular use case, you would decide whether you were connecting via MQTT or you were just connecting via the OPC drivers. So hopefully that's helpful. Again, on our website, you would just go to inductiveautomation.com /ignition/edge, and then you would get the 3 products there, and you can click on each one to view the architecture. So hopefully that's helpful. Thank you.